Garbage truck.
Garbage truck.
So,
Garbage truck.
let me ask you this. Garbage start with hả? Đúng rồi. Truck start with
G2.
no truck. Truck.
What truck?
Truck.
What truck?
Truck start with
What truck?
truck start with T.
T.
Uh-huh.
What truck?
Garbage truck. You ready?
G.
Mm.
G2.
Okay, then you read garbage truck, okay?
3.
What garbage trucks do?
Pick up trash.
A big truck is coming down the street. It's the garbage truck. It moves slowly. It stops in front of each house. People have to put their trash cans out. See that? See the trash can over here, trash can over here? And the truck picks up trash, the trash can. The trash dump inside the truck container. The trash dumps inside the truck containers. The trucks move on. See that? Right? Truck. Okay? Okay. Some garbage trucks collect paper and plastic. Other picks up plastic or metal. Some even take yard waste. These things can be
Why
recycled.
no one crashed those trash?
I tell you, these things can be recycled. They can be made into new things. So there is a lot to pick up. How will it all fit? The truck has a compactor. This is a compactor. Look, that's a compactor. So it squeezes the trash. See that? Squeeze the trash.
Squeeze the trash.
Uh-huh.
If we don't squeeze the trash, the garbage truck will be what?
They have more room for another trash. See? So the garbage truck
If it don't push you, it will do what?
filled up with trash.
Don't fill with trash.
See? So because the garbage truck has to pick up a lot of trash, right?
And this will
So
what?
they will have a compactor, say compactor,
Compactor.
to squeeze the trash.
Yeah.
So they will fit, okay? More will fit. More trash. They can pick up more trash. Understand?
Okay.
Okay. Look inside. A garbage truck is big and tough. It has a cab in the front. The driver sits in the cab. The truck follows a route. It drives by
Garbage man.
it drives by the same houses. A map
Garbage
shows
man.
where to go. Huh?
Garbage man.
Garbage man. Sanitize engineer. Sometimes there are controls in the car. The driver uses
Let me
them.
see the garbage.
Okay, an arm can pick up a trash can. The compactor can run. The driver does not need to get out. So see, there's a lot of
I didn't know.
control
Control.
in the cab, so they can control the arms, the compactor. Okay.
A garbage.
I know. The truck is full. Now it's time to empty it. Recycled materials can go to a recycling center. The rest often goes to a
If I
landfill.
fall down the trash,
Mhm.
I fall.
There is a big place where trash is
I
dumped.
fall down.
Yeah. Sometimes it's buried. The back of truck opens. There is a big blade inside. It
Blade?
pushed out.
Wait, Lassie.
Blade đây này.
Wait for doing
Blade.
what?
To push the trash out.
Where? I cannot see. Where? In the
Okay,
sea.
I show you later. Okay, look outside. Trash cans are heavy. The parts of a garbage truck are strong. Can you see the metal tubes in this truck? They are hydraulics. They help lift heavy things. See that? It's lift heavy things. Sometimes controls are on the outside of the truck. A worker presses buttons. They make parts on the truck move. So a garbage truck has a hopper. Trash goes into it. On some trucks, the hopper is at the very back. On the other truck, it is just behind the cab. This truck is a real loader. The hopper is in the back. Sometimes.
Opera, though, let's say.
Cái gì?
Opera for, let's say.
Hopper.
Hopper.
Yeah, hopper in the back. The truck is hopper. Trash go into it. See?
Why is crash and push away?
Uh-huh.
Wires can be pushed and be crashed and be turn it on and be fall out.
Crash. Let's squeeze it.
Squeeze.
Uh-huh.
I'm pretend to be garbage truck. I'm pretend to be garbage truck.
This truck is a real loader. Okay?
Loader?
The hopper is in the back. Okay? See? One for recycling, one for recycling, and one for trash. Okay? What is recycling? What is recycle trash? Okay. Let me tell you, okay? Metals, bottles, metal bottles, paper. What else?
I don't know. Dirty diapers.
Huh?
Dirty diapers.
Dirty diaper is not recycled.
Dirty diaper.
It's trash. It's non-recycled.
Non-recycle?
Some truck has metal arms. They lift trash cans and bins. The arms tip them into the truck. Some arms are at the front. They lift bins over the cab.
What is that?
This one is the arm to grab the trash can to put it in. See that?
Oh. I'm pretend to pick up trash just like the garbage. I put it like a garbage truck.
So the garbage truck.
Pretend to do that.
The garbage truck has two arms here and lift it up. Remember?
I'm a dumpster.
Lift the dumpster up. Sometimes the arms on the side. Right? See that? Okay. So we have the, what is this? Cat?
Cat.
We have the
I don't know.
control. What is this?
I don't know.
It's a
Trash can.
This one is a
I don't know.
hopper.
Hopper.
And this one is a,
I don't know.
what is this? Squeeze the trash. Come on.
Squeeze the trash.
What is that?
Comb.
Comb? Comb what?
I don't know.
Compactor.
Compactor.
Okay. That's it. You wanna read it one more time? We want a new book.
This box. Police. Fighter. Oh no, can I have both?
Sure, you can have both.
Okay.
See here.
I don't need both.
You don't need both?
Yeah. Look! The garbage truck pick up trash can with the dumpster. Look. Look.
Yeah. Okay. What do firefighters do all day? Helping the community. Being a firefighter is a dangerous job, but it's very rewarding. Firefighters put their own life at risk to help members of community.
If they fire?
But not every day is filled with big fires. Read on to find out exactly what a firefighter does during their day. Okay? Planning and training. When firefighters are putting out the fire, they commonly spend their time working at the firehouse. They often work on training exercise with other firefighters to keep their skills sharp and stay in shape. They must be fit to lift heavy hose. Firefighters need to be ready to take a call as soon as it comes in. It means always making sure that the equipment or gear is clean, stocked, and working well. They also need to make sure that, Grayson, I'm reading this for you while you bring another book. It disrespect.
Okay.
They also need to make sure that the fire truck is clean and full of gas in case they get a call. So what are they doing now?
I don't know.
Look, what is they doing?
They're cleaning
Yeah, they're cleaning the,
fire truck.
yeah. So they be ready every time getting a call. So when a call comes in that someone needs help, firefighters must be quick to act. They may have only a few minutes. Firefighters put on their gear, including fireproof suit and boots and helmet and eye protection. Then they jump in the truck to go to help. Yes. Not every call is a big fire. Firefighters also respond to calls about small fires, people who are hurt, and even chemical spills that need to be cleaned up. Every call is different. Firefighters must be ready to check the scene to see how they can help best. Okay? Big fire. Sometimes firefighters do get called to a building on fire.
Why there's fire? Who do the fire?
That's big fire.
Who put the fire?
Yeah, I don't know.
Who spit the fire?
But that's the fire.
Dragon?
No.
Dragon?
Somebody overcooked their food, so it catch fire.
Yeah.
When that happens, firefighters first see if there are anyone in the building who needs help. Then they make a plan to put out the fire in the fastest way they can.
Why the firefighter put the water down?
Okay, so look, this is a fire hydrant. Say
Why?
it. Fire hydrant.
Why the fire hydrant like put the water down on the floor?
No, the fire hydrant have the water in it. Water coming up from the ground. Okay? So firefighter commonly fix the fire hose, see that, to the fire hydrants. This is how they get the water needed to spray the fire to put it out. So the water doesn't come from the fire truck. The water comes from the fire hydrant, exactly. Okay? So the fire truck go to the fire hydrant so they can put the fire hose to the fire hydrant and turn on the valve, and they have water to spray the fire. Many firefighters often work at the same time to do that. There's no need to watch outside. The building structure is become weaker. It could fall and hurt someone.
What?
So the building on fire, they will collapse. Understand? Because it's so hot. After the call, once a fire has been put out, firefighters still have work to do.
Why they grab the tools down and stop?
Every call must be documented. All of their gear must be inspected or checked.
What is that?
That's gear. Gear like equipment and uniform and gloves and fireproof suit and helmet and everything. They call it gear. Say it, gear. All of their gear must be inspected or checked, and their gear must be returned to the fire truck so it's ready to the next call. Next call. A heroic job. Even though it's hard and dangerous job, a firefighter saves lives. They train, keep their gear clean and ready, and go out on calls to help people. A firefighter never knows what their day will be like. One thing is for sure, though, the firefighters are heroes in the community. Yeah.
Please.
Okay.
Please.
Come on. They see me rolling. Okay. policeman's job is to keep people
Who's safe?
safe. He is very brave. He makes sure people follow laws. These are important rules.
Rules?
Rules.
Rules là gì?
Rules là pháp luật.
For who?
For everybody.
Why?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
No.
A country?
No.
He used to, okay, rules means things you must follow. You follow, I follow, that mommy and baby always have to follow these rules or it laws, okay, orders. For example, tell me what is the rule? Look, red light.
Yeah.
You
Stop.
exactly. Green light.
Go.
Yellow.
Slow.
Slow. See, that's rules. Okay, understand? He used a tool to see how fast cars go. It's called radar gun. Okay, he stopped cars that go too fast. He has a special car. It has red and blue lights.
The police stopped the car
Right here.
Why?
Because the cars go too fast.
And
Go
why?
too fast.
And he say what?
They stop there. I give you citation. Say it. Citation.
Citation.
Traffic ticket.
Police do what?
Write a citation.
Police say what?
Police say, hey look, I want to give you a citation. The car makes a loud noise. This is called a siren. Wheel, wheel. Policemen wear special clothes. This is called an
I don't know.
uniform.
Uniform.
Ooh, some work with
Canine.
yes, K9 team.
Where's the police say stop the daddy? Stop daddy?
Yeah, stop this man because he's driving too fast.
Why stop his man?
Mounted police rides on
Horse.
beautiful horse, huh? The horse look beautiful.
And find the bad guy.
Oh, the end. Okay.
More books.
We have 3 today. You want to save for some for tomorrow?
Yes,
Oh.
one more.
One more, that's fine.
I need more.
You have 3 already.
I
You
like,
want more? I'm okay. I'm
I
willing.
like 5.
You want 5 books?
Yes.
Okay. Go get it. Go get it. Whatever you need to read.
And put the garbage truck in.
Put it where we shop up there.
Where's the police? Stop the man.
Yeah.
Driving the car.
Because the men's go to okay. Hey Grayson, you really want to read another book? Okay, pick up. Let's read.
Okay. Okay. I'm please.
Quick.
Okay, I will read another doctor. Okay.
Thôi nhá.
Yeah.
Go find your mommy.
Yeah.